Today in this video we're gonna discuss about phylum Mollusca, okay? So first of all, remember this phylum Mollusca is also known as soft body. Soft bodies. Okay, and in the phylum Mollusca they have basically soft bodied animal, but they are most protected by the hard shell which is made up of calcium carbonate. We can say protected by hard shell made up of calcium carbonate. Okay, with that, if I to talk about some, we can say characteristics of phylum Mollusca. So phylum Mollusca have organ system organization. These phylum Mollusca are bilateral symmetrical animals. Okay, and with that, they have basically, we can say, yeah, they are bilateral symmetry, but there is one, we can say, point that in the phylum Mollusca there is one example which is snail, and snails are basically asymmetrical. This is one exception, like they are bilateral symmetry, but if I talk about the snails, so they are asymmetrical. Why they are asymmetrical? They are asymmetrical due to the torsion. Due to torsion. Now, what is torsion? Torsion is basically the rotation of visceral mass. Like in the mollusca, their visceral mass is present. So, torsion is basically the rotational of, we can say, visceral mass. Visceral mass will rotate over that. That's why they have no symmetry. Those are asymmetrical. Visceral mass, or you can say twisting of visceral mass. Okay. With that, another feature, they are coelomates. They have two coelom. Okay. If I do talk about the, we can say some parts of phylum Mollusca, the phylum Mollusca include three parts. Okay, number one part is head, another is foot, and third is visceral mass. Okay, so in the head region, like here, you can say tentacles are present, and these tentacles help in the sensing. And in this phylum Mollusca, it contains basically nephridia, and these nephridia help in what? These nephridia work as kidney, or you can say excretion system. Okay. And if I to talk about here, there is one most important part which is respiring organ. Remember, this is question is being asked, what is the respiring organ? So phylum Mollusca contain respiring organ which is radula. Okay, and they have basically what? They have open circulatory system. Open circulatory system. Okay, they have open circulatory system, but there is also one exception. Here we have on one, we can say class, which is class cephalopoda. This class cephalopoda have closed type circulatory system. This is one exception. All phylum mollusca have open type of circulatory system, but in the class cephalopoda we can say closed type circulation. Okay. With that, here if I talk about some more features, so here we have ganglia are present. So those are three ganglia, okay? And those are, first we have cerebral, second we have pleural, and third we have basically pida. So these are three type of ganglia: cerebral ganglia, pleural ganglia, and pida ganglia. So now let's see the function. Cerebral ganglia are basically they help in to supply the nerves to the head and sense organ. Supply nerve to head and sense organ. But if I do talk about this pleural, so they supply basically nerve to mental, which is heart covering and shell. With that, this pida ganglion, they basically supply eh, nerves to the foot. Okay, so if I do talk about, we can say reproduction. So they have basically they have sexual reproduction. Mostly they are hermaphrodite, means there are both sexes are present in one body. Mostly they are hermaphrodite, but some are also dioecious. Some are dioecious. Dioecious just means that some have the separate sexes. Separate sexes. Okay, I hope this is clear to you guys, phylum Mollusca. So in the next video, we're gonna discuss about another phylum, which is phylum Annelida. We can say phylum Arthropoda. So that's bye.